We spend our lives lifting others up, encouraging them, believing in them. But when it comes to ourselves, we become our own harshest critics. Today, I want you to understand something powerful. Talk to yourself like someone you believe in, because your words can shape your destiny. Most people don't lose the battle in the world. They lose the battle in their mind. Not because they aren't capable, not because they aren't talented, but because they talk to themselves like they are already defeated. Think about it. If a friend was struggling, would you tell them they're useless, that they're failing, that they'll never make it? No. You'd encourage them. You'd remind them of their strength. You'd remind them of their potential. So why don't you speak to yourself the same way? The silent war inside your head is the only one that truly matters. Your inner critic can be a relentless enemy, whispering doubts and fears that hold you back. It tells you you're not smart enough, not good enough, not ready. This internal monologue isn't just background noise. It's the director of your life. And when the director is constantly shouting critiques from the sidelines, it's almost impossible to perform at your best. But here's the secret. You have the power to fire that director and hire a new one. One that champions you, believes in you, and pushes you to be your greatest self. Your mind listens to everything you say, every judgment, every insult, every fear. Your words are instructions, and your brain obeys them. Speak hesitation, and you'll walk hesitantly. Speak failure, and you'll act like a failure. Speak weakness, and you'll shrink. But when you speak belief, when you speak confidence, when you speak courage, you become unstoppable. Because your self-talk becomes your self-image, and your self-image becomes your reality. Imagine your mind as a garden. Negative self-talk is like planting weeds. At first, they're small and seem harmless, but over time, they grow, choke out the beautiful flowers, and take over the entire space. Positive self-talk, on the other hand, is like planting seeds of strength, confidence, and resilience. Nurture them, water them with kindness. And soon, you'll have a vibrant garden of self-belief that can withstand any storm. Your brain doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you tell it is real. So tell it a story of success, a story of strength, a story of a person who is capable of anything. It's time to rewrite the story you tell yourself. Replace "I can't" with "I'll try." Replace "I'm not enough" with "I'm growing." Replace "I always fail" with "I'm learning." Talk to yourself like someone worth believing in, because you are. The world is already full of people who doubt you. Don't let one of them be you. This isn't about pretending problems don't exist. It's about changing your response to them. When you catch yourself spiraling into negativity, pause, acknowledge the thought, and then consciously reframe it. Instead of "this is too hard," try "this is a challenge, and I'm capable of figuring it out." Instead of "I messed up again," try "what can I learn from this mistake?" This small shift in language creates a massive shift in your mindset. You go from being a victim of your circumstances to the author of your own comeback story. Start today. Grab a journal, or just a piece of paper, and write down the negative things you say to yourself. Then, next to each one, write a positive, encouraging alternative. Make it your new script. Here's the truth. The world treats you the way you treat yourself. If you shrink, the world shrinks you. If you doubt yourself, others will doubt you too. If you speak weakly, you'll be seen as weak. But when you walk with belief, true belief, doors open, opportunities appear. People listen, people respect you. Why? Because confidence is contagious, and it starts from within. Think about the people you admire. Do they walk around apologizing for their existence? Or do they carry themselves with a sense of purpose and self-assurance? Your inner state radiates outward. When you respect yourself, others are more likely to respect you. When you value your own ideas, others will start to listen more closely. It's an energetic exchange. You are broadcasting your level of self-worth to the world every single day, with your posture, your tone of voice, and the words you choose. Start broadcasting a signal of confidence, and watch how the world tunes in. Your belief in yourself becomes a magnet for positive experiences and supportive people. You cannot become strong if you keep tearing yourself down. You cannot grow while talking to yourself like an enemy. You cannot rise while convincing yourself you're not enough. Self-respect begins with self-talk. Speak to yourself like someone you want to protect, someone you want to inspire, someone you want to see win. Because the truth is, you deserve your own belief. This is the foundation of true strength. It's not about being invincible or never feeling fear. It's about being your own ally, especially when things get tough. It's about being the voice of calm in your own storm. Imagine you had a child you loved dearly. You would protect them, nurture them, and speak to them with love and encouragement. You need to become that loving parent to yourself. This isn't selfish. It's essential for your well-being and for your ability to show up in the world. When you respect yourself, you set boundaries. You make healthier choices, and you stop seeking validation from others because you've already found it within. Your future self is watching you, listening to you, learning from you. Every encouraging word you speak gives that future version of you more confidence, more strength, more clarity. Talk to yourself like someone whose story is not over, because it isn't. You are still becoming, still growing, still rising. The person you will be in 5 or 10 years is being built right now, by the thoughts you think and the words you speak today. Do you want that future person to be haunted by the echoes of self-doubt? Or do you want them to stand tall on a foundation of self-belief you built for them? Every time you choose to speak to yourself with kindness, you are sending a gift to your future. You are paving the way for their success, their happiness, and their peace. Don't betray that person. Invest in them. Believe in them. Start now. So listen closely. You are worthy of belief. You are worthy of patience. You are worthy of encouragement. You are worthy of kindness. Speak to yourself like someone who matters, because you do. Speak to yourself like someone capable, because you are. And above all, talk to yourself like someone you believe in, because your belief is the foundation of the life you are about to build. Keep going. Keep speaking life. Keep becoming. Your strongest self is on the way.